Hello friends. Today's program will try string matching program. We'll find the common prefix out of a given words. Uh, you can see our input list contains few words like flower, floor, and flow. So all of these words have a common prefix of FLO. So hence our output would be FLO. So let's start. Uh, so here what approach will approach is we'll take a given word as a temporary prefix and take and check all the characters of that and compare that with the remaining. So let's start. Let's take a variable prefix that would hold our actual prefix, and then take a temp prefix. So temp prefix would be the first element of the list, input list of 0. Now let's loop through the characters of temp prefix. I in temp, sorry, temp prefix. Let's append our prefix to prefix. Our assumed prefix is I, so our prefix would be prefix plus I, and then we'll loop through the words in input list. So word in input list. We'll do the check here if word starts with prefix, then all good. If word doesn't start with prefix, then we'll reset the prefix to its previous prefix state. Sorry, prefix of prefix colon -1. We'll remove the last character and then we'll break from here, and at the last we'll return prefix. Return prefix. Let's test. Some typo here, prefix, and we have our expected output FLO. Let's test with one more word, flag. In this case, earlier we had common prefix FLO, but here is a new word. It doesn't have FLO, it has FL common. We have FL. Let's test with few more sample. Stamp. Yep. Thank you for watching.